Today, I'm going to show you how to use files or website links that you've used before in a binder so that you're not having to re-upload files or trying to find a link to a website that you've already added to a binder. So I'm going to open up this example binder here in edit mode, and I'll create a new tab for our demonstration. Okay, so let's say that you are creating a binder and you want to add a document that you've already added in another binder, but you don't want to go and open that binder to grab the link. You would go here to Content, and you would go to My Files or My Stuff. Both of these have uploaded files in them. My Files is strictly anything that you've uploaded into your drive. My Stuff includes website URLs that you may have added. So let's just go to My Files. And if you just hit Find, it's going to look for everything in your account with the most recent documents first. So I can search through here and look for something that I've added before. So this PDF sample document, and it adds the URL that was added previously, and it loads it into your tab. Okay, so I'm going to add another tab and show you how to add copy and pasted URL. So I'm going to go back to Content, and this time I'm going to click on My Stuff, and I can use the Find search for the most recent, and I see a YouTube video that I've added here. So rather than having to go and find that URL again, I just click on that thumbnail and it adds that video to the tab. Okay, if you are looking for a particular file and you wanted to add it to your binder, rather than trying to search for it through the Find filter, go to that tab and open up your Add Content, go to My Files, and you can either type in the name of the file, like I see 5 academic, for example, and it will grab all the documents with that name in it. Or I've also done it where I'm looking for, I may not remember the name, but I know that it was a PDF, and it will show me all the PDFs that I've uploaded in here. And then I can select it by clicking on the thumbnail and adding it to the document. It's a little bit tricky when you're looking for a URL. So again, I might do something like show me all the YouTube links in here, and then I can select it and see if it's the right one that I want to add by clicking on the thumbnail. And that's how you would use the search filter for finding a particular document in the My Files or the My Stuff section of your Add Content window.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.